Hello and welcome back to English Listening and Speaking Practice. My name is Tom, and I am so glad you are here with me today. I want to talk about a feeling that I know many of you have. It's a very common, very frustrating feeling. It's this. You can understand English quite well. You can watch movies with subtitles. You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can read articles online, and you understand most of it. But when it's your turn to speak, the words just don't come out. Your mind goes blank. You feel stuck, slow, and shy. If this sounds like you, I want you to take a deep breath and relax. Because today, we are going to solve this mystery. We are going to explore exactly why you can understand English but can't speak it. And more importantly, I am going to give you 6 simple, powerful tips that will help you bridge that gap forever. This is one of the most important topics for any English learner. Understanding this single idea can completely change your journey to fluency. So, get ready to learn, and let's unlock your speaking confidence together. Part 1. The Big Mystery. Understanding versus speaking. So, why is it that you can understand so much but speak so little? The answer is simple, but it is very profound. The answer is, understanding and speaking are 2 completely different skills. Let me explain. When you understand English, you are passive. What does passive mean? It means you sit, you listen, you read. Your brain is receiving English. It's like watching a movie. You don't have to do anything. You just need to recognize the meaning of the words you hear or see. This is the easier skill. Now, think about speaking. When you speak, you are active. This is much, much harder. When you speak, you need to do many things all at the same time. You need to think of the right words. You need to organize your ideas into a logical sentence. You need to say the sentences using the correct grammar. You need to make the correct sounds with your mouth and tongue. And you need to do all of this fast, in real time, during a conversation. This is hard. This is a very complex process, even for advanced learners. So, the reason you can understand but can't speak is because you have practiced the passive skill a lot, but you haven't practiced the active skill enough. I want you to remember this forever. Speaking is a skill. It is just like cooking, or swimming, or dancing. You can watch 1,000 cooking videos, and you will understand how to cook. But will you be a good cook? No. You only get better at cooking by actually going into the kitchen and cooking. It's the same with English. You only get better at speaking by doing it. Not just thinking about it, not just watching others do it, but by actually opening your mouth and speaking. So how do we start doing it? Let's move on to our 6 practical tips. Part 2. 6 simple tips to bridge the gap. All right, you are ready to move from passive to active. Here are 6 simple tips you can start using today to build your speaking fluency. Tip number 1. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Speak now. This is the biggest mistake I see. So many learners think, first, I will learn all the grammar rules perfectly, and then I will start speaking. This is a trap. It's a way to delay speaking forever, because you will never feel that your grammar is perfect. Listen to me carefully. You do not need perfect grammar to speak. You only need to be clear. What does that mean? It means, can the other person understand you? If the answer is yes, then your English is working. That is a success. So start speaking today with the grammar you have. Use simple words. Use short sentences. Yes, you will make mistakes, But mistakes are proof that you are trying. Mistakes are a part of learning. I want you to remember this phrase. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with perfect grammar. Let me say that again. Fluent with mistakes is better than silent with perfect grammar. Tip number 2. Learn chunks, not just individual words. What is a chunk? A chunk is a short phrase or a group of words that native speakers use all the time. They are words that naturally go together. For example, instead of learning the single words, I am a bit busy, right? And now you learn the entire chunk. I'm a bit busy right now. Another example is, sorry, I've got a lot on my plate. Why is this so powerful? Because when you learn chunks, your brain doesn't have to build a sentence from zero. The phrase is already in your brain, ready to use. This makes you speak faster and more naturally. When you use chunks, you sound more fluent and more confident because you are using the same patterns that native speakers use. So, when you listen to podcasts or watch shows, don't just listen for new words. Listen for new chunks. Write them down, say them out loud, and try to use them. Tip number 3. Speak to yourself. Self-talk. This is my favorite tip because anyone can do it, anytime and anywhere. You don't need a partner, you don't need a teacher, you don't even need a friend. You can practice speaking by speaking to yourself. It might feel a little strange at first, but it is an incredibly effective way to practice. You can do it when you are at home, when you are cooking, when you are driving your car, or when you are walking. What do you talk about? Anything. You can describe what you are doing. For example, okay, I'm making coffee now. I need to get the cup and the sugar. You can talk about your day. Today was a good day at work. I finished my report. You can ask yourself questions and answer them. What should I have for dinner tonight? Maybe I'll have pasta. This practice, this self-talk, is like going to the gym, but for your brain and your mouth. It trains your brain to find words faster. It helps you build fluency without stress, because there is no one there to judge you. And it's one of the best ways to start thinking in English. Tip number 4. Use artificial intelligence, AI, for practice. We live in an amazing time. Today, you have a free, patient, and friendly English practice partner available 24 hours a day. I'm talking about AI tools like ChatGPT, Pi, or Copilot. These AI tools are fantastic for learners. Why? Because an AI never gets tired. It's always ready to talk. And, most importantly, it will not judge your mistakes. You can practice real conversations in a safe environment. You can start a chat by simply typing, "Hi, I'm learning English. Can we talk about my day?" You can ask it to speak slowly and simply. You can ask it to correct your sentences. By having these simple text conversations, you are training your brain to think in English and to form sentences actively. It's a wonderful way to build your fluency step by step. Tip number 5. Use the 4-3-2 technique. This is a fantastic exercise to quickly improve your fluency on a specific topic. It works like this. Step 1. Choose a simple topic. You can talk about your last vacation, your favorite movie, or what you did yesterday. Set a timer for 4 minutes and talk about that topic. Speak slowly. Try to include as much detail as you can. It's okay if you pause or make mistakes. Just keep talking for the full 4 minutes. Step 2. Take a short 1-minute break. Then, set your timer for 3 minutes. Talk about the exact same topic again. This time, because you have already organized your ideas, you will find that you can speak a little faster and a little more smoothly. Step 3. Take one more short break. Now, set your timer for just 2 minutes. Talk about the same topic one last time. Your goal now is to be as smooth and as clear as possible, with no long pauses. This technique is powerful because the more times you tell the story, the more automatic your English becomes. You don't have to stop and think so much. If you record yourself, you will be amazed at the difference between your 4-minute version and your 2-minute version. Tip number 6. Vary a single sentence. This is a fun and creative way to practice thinking quickly and flexibly in English. Start with one very simple sentence. For example, I went to the store. Now, we are going to play with this sentence in different ways. First, add more detail. I went to the store yesterday to buy some bread. Next, change the feeling or the tone. Ugh, I had to go to the store again. Now, change the grammar. Let's change the tense. I'm going to the store now, or I will go to the store later. Finally, change the subject. My sister went to the store. By doing this simple exercise, you learn how to think quickly. You learn how to add details, how to use grammar in real situations, and how to express different emotions. This is real fluency. You are not just memorizing sentences, you are creating language. Conclusion: from passive to active, from silent to speaker. So there you have it. The mystery is solved. The reason you understand English but can't speak it is simply a lack of active speaking practice. But now you have a plan. You have 6 powerful, practical strategies to change that. You can start today. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Learn in chunks. Talk to yourself. Use AI. Practice with the 4-3-2 technique. Play with sentences. The most important message I want you to take away from this video is this: you must be an active participant in your learning. You must use your voice. Use it every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Embrace your mistakes as signs of progress. You have the ability to bridge the gap between understanding and speaking. You just need to start doing the work. Thank you so much for joining me for this important lesson. I truly hope you feel inspired and empowered to start speaking more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future lessons. And now, for your action step. Go to the comments below and tell me, which one of the 6 tips are you going to try first? I would love to read your answers. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember that you are capable of amazing things. My name is Tom, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.